Here's the DJI Educational Hub. This is the desktop app made by DJI, and I think it's the best place to start with autonomous programming. I'm just going to hit create. I'm going to choose that it's the drone I want to program. I'm going to name it. I'll just call mine video because it's a program I'm making for this video. Hit confirm. Now, before I can connect to the app, I need to connect to its Wi-Fi first. So I'll come down here. There's the drone. Hit connect. He comes up. This is the drone I want to connect to. I'll hit confirm. And in here it shows me how much battery I've got, what temperature it is. I can turn the camera on if I want, and that's what the drone can see. I can go full screen on it if I want. Just shrinking back down here, and I'll start writing a simple program. My simple program is simply going to be, I'm going to take off. I'm just simply going to fly forward for 200 centimeters or 2 meters. After I've flown forward for 2 meters, I want to do a flip, because we all like flips. And then I'm going to turn around, turn to the left by 180 degrees, complete turnaround. And I can do fly forward for 2 meters, and then just simply land. So a very, very simple program. I have an external camera that will video it all, so I'll just turn on my external camera now, and then I will hit play. So we can actually see what the drone can see over here. We know it's in takeoff block. Once it's happy that it's stable, it'll fly forward for 2 meters. Do a pretty nice flip. Turning around, fly back, up, and come down and land. Beautiful. You'll notice that it didn't quite land on the mat this time. Okay, I've placed mission pad 1 40 centimeters from the landing pad. So now instead of flying all the way back to the landing pad, we're just going to fly back to somewhere as close as we can get to the mission pad. Then once we're somewhere close to the mission pad, we're going to fly to a position relative to the mission pad. Mission pad 1, we want to be 40 centimeters in front of it, 0 to the side, and about 80 high at a fairly slow speed. So now it'll take off, fly forward 2 meters, do a flip, turn around, fly back 160. After it flies back 160, it's going to position itself 40 centimeters in front of the mission pad and 80 centimeters above. Once it's done that, it will come down and land. Taking off, fly forward 2 meters, does his flip, turns around, flies back 160, then positions itself slowly, nicely to where it needs to go, and then lands. And you can see the accuracy we get out of that. That's the advantage of using Fidel markers to correct for drift off course.